Okay, I wanted to spend just a minute on lamps and cameras and why I'm always deleting them. First of all, the main reason why I'm always deleting them is because Unity doesn't use them. Unity doesn't even, if you tried to pass this information to Unity, Unity would discard it. Okay, Unity has its own lighting system and its own camera system. It doesn't need Blender's information. All it wants from Blender is the object, the animations, the materials, and the basic stuff like that, and it will do its own job on the rendering. So that's the main reason why I delete those things. Other than that, I mean, if you're moving around, if you keep those objects in your scene and you start moving stuff around like this, and every once in a while what will end up happening is these objects jump in front of your view, and I find that very it kind of gets in the way of your own creativity. So that's another reason why I delete them. And finally, what's the harm in deleting them anyway? Like, if you delete something like a light, why not just make another one? You can easily just go down and create a new light and put it anywhere you want in the scene. So those three reasons are why I always delete these things as soon as I see them. As soon as the scene loads, select all, delete, they're gone. Don't ever have to think about them again.